Hey, what's up, everyone? Scott here, coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf. And make sure you smash subscribe, hit the bell. Be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss the bonus I'm about to give you. But let me show you how to make six figures online, okay? How you can make 800, 2400, and 4000 all done for you. Yeah. Basically, how the company works is they do the work and we collect the commissions, all right? So after you're done smashing the subscribe and hitting the bell, you're gonna want to go in the description after you're watching this video because you're gonna want to see the bonus. You're gonna put your email address in here, okay? And once you put your email address in there, it's gonna redirect you to another page here. And this page is gonna show you how to explode your income into six figures online, okay? That's exactly what it's gonna do. You're gonna watch this video right here. It's going to have it's going to explain everything that you need to know to get started with this, because remember, it's very hands off and all we do is share a phone number. And let me explain, all right? So I call this phone money. So you're going to come down here and you're going to click to view on the OCM products and the bonuses and how to get started right here, okay? The product and service right here, okay? This is the product. Sorry about that. I had someone walk in here. So what you're going to do here is you're going to review the product and service after clicking on that orange button on that last page. And you're going to explain that it explains that you're going to watch this. But what I like about this is this. I call it phone money. So people call in after they review the videos that I just showed you, and then they call the number and they tell them the person who sent them. In your case, it's Scott Darvid. But in your case, it may be you, and you're going to be getting paid. And what's going to happen is Bob, the owner, is going to talk to this person and ultimately close the sale for you, answer all those questions that they have, etc. Just like Carol. Carol's another successful OCM member right here. And remember, we have a bonus. I'm just going to go over the first two or three because there's so much bonus here. It's crazy. Bonus number one. You do not have to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. Bonus two, we make the sales for you and you keep 100% of the commission, just as if you were to sold it yourself. That's huge. And what are those commissions? 800, 2400, and 4000. And what are the starting with admin? 1,000, 3,000, and 5,000. The difference is the admin fee that goes to building the site with your name. Yes, this system really does work. I have gotten cash in the mail before. Plus, Dan from Naples, 12,800 in just 4 days. Yes, he's cranking it in. Remember, we do 100% of the work. You collect the commission. Yes, you heard that correct. Look at this, Michael C. 4,200 in just 3 weeks. Boom. Right there. It gets better. And this is the starting. Level 1 is 1,000. Level 2 is 3. And level 3 is 5. Okay? And I'm going to get into the bonuses momentarily with this. Just want to show you one last thing. You want 800, 2400, or 4000 mailed to your door? Get with that link in the description and get on that phone. Get your questions answered just like Kevin C did. 6,400 in just 1 week. All right? 6,400 in just 1 week. All right? We're going to come down over here. That's the owner right there, Bob. You could click here. This is in a step-by-step format how to get started. Here is zero. You will click on this to see if you qualify for zero out-of-pocket financing club. All right, folks? Yes, 1,000%. So I said I had a bonus, and the bonus is actually the product itself here, okay? The bonus is actually the product itself. And so when you get started at level 1, I'm going to send you, how many clicks? 300 clicks. When you start at level 2, I'm going to start your business and send 500 clicks. And if you start at level 4, diamond, I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks. That's it, folks. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go down below to this right here. You're going to put your email address right into here. Smash the subscribe, hit the bell, watch the video, give my team a call, tell them Scott sent you and you seen me on YouTube. I look forward to connecting. Bye for now.